In this video, we will show you how to install your Tocker Glass artwork with a stainless steel cradle. Remove the screws from the crate with a Phillips head screwdriver. Decide where you want your artwork to go. Remove all your rings from your fingers before handling the glass. Use the handholds inside the crate to grab the glass securely. Remove and unwrap the stainless steel cradle from its envelope. Keep this aside. Place the glass carefully in the cradle, ensuring the gap is even at the front and the back. Stand back and have a look to see if the glass is even. Adjust if necessary. There should be an even amount of space in front and behind of the cast glass piece within the stainless steel cradle. For storage and transport of your Tocker Glass artwork, always use the crate provided. There is no need for bubble wrap. The glass will simply sit into the archival material, and also the cradle will as well.